Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So from today we will see conditional structures in PHP. Sometimes when you write code, you want to perform different action for a different condition. You can use conditional statement in your code to do this task. Here PHP provide following conditional statement. First is if statement. If statement executes some code if one condition is true. Next is if-else statement. If-else statement executes some code if condition is true and another code if condition is false. Next is if-else statement. This statement executes different code for a more than two condition. And last is switch statement. It selects one of many blocks of code to be executed. So let us see the first if statement. Here if statement is execute code if condition is true. Here syntax is in if you have to pass one condition. If this condition is true, then this statement is execute. If condition is false, then this statement is not execute. Let us see the example. Here we have to declare two variables A and B. A declare as a 22 and B declare as a 11. Now if statement have one condition. If A greater than B. If A is greater than, then this condition is true. Here in our case A is bigger than B. So this condition is true. So output is A is bigger than B. So you can see output is A is bigger than B. Now next statement is if-else statement. In if-else statement, if condition is true, then block 1 is execute. If condition is false, then block 2 is execute. Let us see the example. Here A is declared to 2, B is declared 11. If A is greater than B, if this condition is true, then this code is execute. If this condition is false, then it go to else part. In else part, we have just print B is bigger than A. In our case, B is bigger than A because A is 2 and B is 11. So if statement is false, so else part is execute and output is B is bigger than A. This is the example, B is bigger than A. Now next is if-else statement. It is combination of if-else statement. Here is the example. If this condition is true, then this block is execute. Otherwise it check else if condition. If else if condition is true, then block 2 is execute. Otherwise this else part is execute. Let us see the example to better understand. Here we have declared two variables, A is 10 and B is 11. Now we have just check condition. If A is greater than B, here condition is false because A is 10 and B is 11. So B is greater than A. So this echo print not execute and it go to the else if statement. In else if statement we have passed one condition if $A equal to $B. In our case $A is 10 and $B is 11. So this condition is also not true because both are not equal. So it automatically execute else part, B is bigger than A. Here output is B is bigger than A. So if-else is combination of if and else statement. So next is switch statement. Switch statement is used when you have different action and based on different action you have performed different condition. Here switch statement have argument one expression. Your n is expression. Now n is compared to your case 1. If your n and your label 1 both are equal, then case 1 block is execute, and after case 1 block it use break statement. So rest of case is not check. If your first case is not matched to your expression n, then your n expression is compared to your case 2. If this case is also not matched, then it execute your default block. Here is the example. Here you have declared one variable fav color equal to red. Now in your switch you have passed expression as a fav color. Now your expression is compared to your case 1. Here your expression value is red and your case value is also red. So both are equal. Then it print your favorite color is red, and after this it use break statement. So your rest of case is not execute. Suppose here your favorite color is pink. Then it check to case 1 red. Pink here is red. Both are not equal. So it check to blue. Here blue and here is pink. So both are not equal. Here case 3 is green. So green and here your fav color is pink. So both are not equal. So it execute default statement. Here we have checked output. Here favorite color is red. So your favorite color is red, and after break, so rest of case is not execute. Thank you everyone. Like my session, share my session with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe my session. Thank you everyone.